In this video, you will learn how to select two different columns or rows in Microsoft Excel at the same time. Currently, you can see here I have opened a sheet. Firstly, you will learn how to select multiple columns which are not adjacent, and in later part of video, you will learn how to select multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened this sheet and it contains different columns. I am interested to select column A, column C, column E and column G at the same time. Firstly, click on column A. Now you can see here we have selected column A. After that, press and hold Control key and click on column C, column E and column G. Now you can see here we have selected 4 columns. If I want to deselect column C, I will again click on it while holding Control key. Now you can see here the column C is deselected. If you want to select another column, for example in this case column D, you can click on it. After selecting your desired column, you can left the Control key. Now you can see here we have selected the columns successfully. Now you will learn how to select multiple rows or the rows which are not adjacent. For example, in this sheet I want to select row number 2, 4, 6 and 8. Firstly select row number 2, click on it. Now you can see here row number 2 is selected. Press and hold Control key and click on row 4, row 6, row 8, row 10. Now you can see here we have selected multiple rows. If you want to deselect row number 4, simply click here while holding Control key. Now you can see here it is deselected. If you want to select another row, you can click on that particular row. After selecting desired rows, you can left Control key. So now you have successfully selected multiple rows according to your requirement. So by doing so, you can easily select multiple rows or column in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.